Stop wasting time in your exam. There's a secret shortcut for cyclic quadrilateral problems that most students don't know about, but you're about to learn and gain a massive advantage. Welcome to Post Scholars channel. Hope you're having a great day. If you're preparing for WAEC exam, NECO exam, JAMB exam, or any other college exam, be rest assured that this video is for you. So the title of this video is Exterior Angles of a Cyclic Quadrilateral, and we have one question we are going to solve together. Now, before I do that, let me quickly introduce you to the concept of this theorem, right? The theorem says if you have a circle, right, and in the circle there's a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is any shape with four sides. I hope you know that. Good. Then if one end is extended, for example this, right, this theorem which says exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, this is the quadrilateral, right? Now this is the exterior angle of the what? Quadrilateral, right? This is the exterior angle of the quadrilateral, right? Now the theorem is saying the exterior angle of the quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle, which is this, right? Good. So the theorem is saying if this is 50 degree, automatically this angle also be what? 50 degree. So that's basically what this theorem, right, is talking about, that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, right, is equal to the opposite interior angle. With this information, let's solve this. Good. Now the question says in the diagram PQRS are points on a circle center O. This is the center O. This is P, Q, R, and X. QP is produced to X. QP produced to X. If XPX is 77 degree, SPX 77 degree, and PSO is 68 degree, PSO is 68 degree. Find PQO. Find PQO. That's this part of the angle. So I duplicated this diagram here. So this is what we are looking for. P, Q, and what? O, right? So this is what we are looking for. Now, how do we go about this? The first thing we want to consider is the information we know. We know that this angle is 77 degree. This is the exterior angle, right? Remember that concept that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So it simply means that QRS, which is this part, is also equals to what? 77 degree. So let's write it. QRX is equal to 77 degree. Put your reason. What's the reason? Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Good. Now we know this angle to be 77 degree. The mission is for us to find this angle. Next, remember I taught you a theorem that angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. That means this angle here, the reflex angle here, which is QOS, right, is equal to 2 multiplied by what? 77. Remember, angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. That's, I can say that QOX reflex, right, is equal to 2 times what? 77. And what's the reason? Angle at center equal 2 times angle at circumference. So I have 2 times 77 gives 154 degrees. So this part of this 154. Good. Now I know this angle. Now I need to find this other angle. Remember, this is a straight line. An angle on a straight line is equal to what? 180. That means QPS, that this part of the angle, be what? 180 minus what? 77, so that we can find the other part. So QPX is equal to 180 minus 77, and when you do that, you have what? 103 degree. What's the reason? Angle on a straight line. If you sincerely have been enjoying my video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much. Now this part of the angle is 103 degree. You see, we know this angle now, we know this angle, but we don't know this. And again, we know that this shape is a quadrilateral. We know that the sum of angle in a quadrilateral is equal to what? 360 degree. This is the mission. So PQO, let's write PQO, angle PQO plus 103 plus 68 plus 154 is equal to what? 360 degree. And what's the reason? Sum of angle in a quadrilateral, right? So we have that PQO, this is O, please, PQO plus, when you do the addition of 103.68 and 154 with your calculator, you have 325 plus 325 equal 360 degree. So you have PQO plus is equal to, subtract 325 from both sides, you have equal to 360 minus 325, and when you do the subtraction, PQO is equal to 35 degree, right? And that's the final answer. The question asks us to find PQO. You can see it, PQO, this part. The answer is what? 35 degrees. So I can safely write 35 degree. Now we have come to the end of this video. I hope it is well understood. God bless you. Bye.